Hey guys, it's Jalapeno 101 again, and today we're going to do a taste test with Race Car 29. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so the first thing.
I'm hungry.
Can't even see him, Maddie.
What is it?
I don't know.
That's my dad in the back.
I don't know what it is.
Just guess. Again? Here, there's still a little bit more.
Can't even see him.
Can you guess what it is? It's a topping that we put on the... Carter, don't look!
I'm just looking at the iPad.
Well, too bad. Still, you don't get to open your eyes. Carter! What is
I
it?
don't like it.
It's condensed. What is it?
I don't know.
Just guess. Just guess.
Can you give me a hint?
Condensed.
Milk?
Yeah. Don't open your eyes. Are you opening them?
No.
Just close them like that, okay? Okay, next spoonful.
Is it peanut butter?
Yeah. Oh, wait, I forgot one spoonful. I forgot one. So I'm going to go get that after. Okay. Next. What is that?
Whipped cream?
Good job. Okay, I'll be back. I need to go get one more spoonful. Don't open your eyes.
I want more. I want
Here.
more whipped cream.
Here. You can open your eyes and then...
Eat the whipped
Yeah, you can.
cream. Condensed milk, peanut butter, and I ate all the whipped cream. I don't. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut.
Okay, now close your eyes. Close them. Close them. Okay, now the last spoonful. Okay.
Is it Nutella?
Good job. Here.
Peanut butter?
No, Carter. Yeah, you can just eat the rest. Okay, go ahead and open your eyes. Because I'm going to go get the plate foods and you can just talk to them. Okay? Right there. Just aim them at you. This.
Want some Nutella? Want some peanut butter? Want some whipped cream? Want some condensed milk? Da 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 da. Nutella, peanut butter, condensed milk.
Can you close your eyes? I'm not going to give you anything yet, but just close your eyes.
Yeah! Pointing. Ow. Boom. Boom. star. What about if there was ketchup on this? Or a lemon? Or orange juice? Or
You don't need to cover your mouth there. Okay, next are the finger foods. Okay, go ahead. Okay, yeah, just pick one. Okay, eat it. What's that?
the cracker from the Smurf.
Some more. What is it called? Okay, that's a graham cracker. Don't open your eyes. Okay, next thing.
Ooh!
What is it? Carter, what is it? Stop eating.
That was good. Corn chip.
Yeah, good job. Okay, no more. Okay, here. You ate too much corn chips. Come on. That's a saltine cracker.
Oh,
Okay.
what?
Don't open your eyes. You can see. Okay. The next thing. Here. Here. Put it in your hand. Oh. Wow. You've been eating too much corn chips. Okay. The next thing. What is it called?
I don't know.
Just keep trying. I gave that to Tyler last time.
Maddie, he might not know the name, Maddie.
Okay, it's a lady finger, which is like a champagne cookie. It's like this. Okay. Now we're gonna do part 2. So, bye.